to rethink, and that is how I came back.
Luoro nitie ewi medruok mar lwenje mag kit chwech e kaonti ma Siaya ka weche mag timo hera e kind rowere mawuok e anyuola achiel bende nenore ka medore e kaonti no. Milord Gavana ma Siaya Betty Murungi okwedo joma nywando nyithindo matindo e weche mag hera ka ohum ewi kwan rowere manyiri matur kod iye ma ohiu e kaonti no. Wacho ni gima rach ni Siaya kaonti osenyuolo thuondi ma ichogo kendo jolony mathoth, to midhiero mar iye ma ohiu kod lwenje mag kit chwech pod himo dongruok ahinya. To ne wakeini Murungi ne loso kinde mane oyango mbero mar chwalo lipode mag arita nyithindo e kar tesendo bila mayala.
Compound, and we are talking about SGBV and prevention and protection of the children and women in our communities. The dignity that God has given us, which is inherent in all of us, is taken away when a woman or a child is defiled or raped.
Our health services to our SGBV survivors remain free from all levels of care, right from the dispensary up to our biggest hospital in the sub-county. This is just to ensure that the system is very friendly to our clients who already are going through a lot of emotional trauma, so that they get the maximum support.
So the County of Heroes now is also leading very badly. We are nearly at the bottom in terms of teen pregnancies, in terms of sexual and gender-based violence. And the one thing that hasn't been mentioned, which I will mention because it was also on national television, we have a very